We're going to evaluate each logarithmic expression, including ln's and logs. And basically what you need to know is that, well, we can go over it, but first of all, on these ln's here, we need to know that ln of e equals 1, because e to the first power equals e. So when you take ln of both sides, you get that. So let's do that. And basically what they're looking for when they say evaluate each logarithmic expression, they're looking for the power. So looking for the p. So let's look at the first one. If we look at this first one, we're going to set it to p, because that's what they're looking for, the power. Now I'm going to write this. If you have a log base of some number equals p, I can rewrite that as b to a certain power equals n. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to write my base is 4. My p is there equals 8. Then you solve it like a normal exponential equation. So this would be 2. I'm going to change my base to 2. So this would be 2 to the 2p equals 2 cubed. Since my 2's matches, I just have to solve for p. So I have 2p equals 3. So p equals 3 divided by 2. So just remember this formula on those. All right. Now on this one, I'm going to rewrite this. Instead of a radical, I'm going to write it as a rational. What I'm going to do is use my, we're looking for the power again. I'm going to use my power property and move this 1/2 in front. So you have 1/2 ln of e equals p. Remember, ln of e equals 1. So that just cancels out. So 1/2 is your answer. All right. The next one here is this one. The first thing I want to do is write this as a log. So I'm going to write this as log of 4 equals x. All right? So this is base 10. Remember, there's not a base, so it'd be base 10. So I rewrote it. So we basically have 10 to the x equals 4. So 10 log base, 10 of log equals 4, because they're inverses, right? Okay, next one. This one, I'm going to condense this and write it as a single log using my product property. This is m and this is n. I can multiply my n times n. So that's going to be 2 times 50. And again, we're looking for our power. So we have log 100. Now again, since there's not a base, that means it's base 10. So I'm going to write this as log base 10. I'm going to write this 100 as 10 squared. I move this 2 in front. So I have 2 times log base 10 of 10 equals my power. Well, log base 10 of 10 equals 1, because 10 to the first power equals 1. So this cancels, so 2 is your answer. And this one, I'm going to do the same thing, condense it and write it as a single log. But I'm using the quotient property because of this minus. So it's 192 divided by 3. So this is going to, that's base 4. We're looking for the power. So we have log base 4 of 64 equals p. And you can use the thing we did last time, or we could just rewrite this as a exponent. So this is 4 to the p equals 4 cubed. So p equals 3. Or you could just, if you keep looking at this, you could just say there's 3 there. 4 cubed is 64. This one is going to be like the first one we did. I'm just going to write this as a rational exponent versus a radical. We set this to p. I do my power property. Ln of e is 1. So 3/5 equals your power. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.